Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using very simple and easy to make TikToks. Alright, these TikToks only take a second to make. I'm just doing a little experiment with you guys. I'm showing you every step of the way. I know these videos don't get too many views, but I just like showing you my results. You know what I mean? And it's something else for me to do, to be fair, for the channel. If you guys really don't like it, I might stop making them, but for now, I'm just gonna keep going. Repetition is the key to success, is what I tried to say there. Sorry about that. But anyway, before we get started, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first off, we're gonna go over here, and we're gonna look at our TikTok here and see what we're standing with right here. We're gonna refresh it. See our numbers. Got 126 followers, 837 likes. Like I stated, it's slow but steady. You know what I mean? It's still growing, which is a plus sign for me. I know it's growing slow, but it's growing. That's all I care about. But anyway, guys, like I stated before, steady, repetition, success. That's how it works. All right, so we're gonna go here. We're gonna go to Pinterest and find us a motivational quote here that we haven't posted yet. You make yourself, no matter how hard it is, how harder it gets. I'm going to make it. Imagine the possibility once you start doubting yourself. Before you come, let's go down a little bit. It's not about being the best, it's about being better than you were yesterday. Did I post that? I don't know. Can't remember. Sure, you always what it takes. Trust the timing of your life. Doesn't matter how slow you go as long as you don't stop. Exactly. It doesn't matter how slowly you go as long as you don't stop. I'm gonna go with that one. That's basically what I was just talking about a second ago. Alright, that's good. I like that. Make it a little smaller. We'll make it a little smaller. Orange, huh? We'll just make it yellow. Hold up. Let me see what my next color is. Okay, so we did red, right? Oh, orange, green, blue, purple, right? Yellow, orange. Oh, I supposed to do red. We're gonna make this red. 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 That's about all it takes, guys. This is so simple. It's so simple. All right, we'll go here. We go to Pencil, find us a video to pick. We're gonna pick this one. It's a little solid enough. Get that. Boom. Put that in there. Hit it. Replace background. Make sure it's muted. And we're gonna change it just a little bit here. Oh, that looks pretty good. I like it. All right, so it looks deep and foresty. It looks much more. Yeah, I like that. So we're gonna take this down to about 13, 14 seconds here. We'll keep it right there. Anything above like I'd say 20. Anything above 20 seconds is a little too much. I go with something a little shorter. Like short is the key. You gotta stick to shortness. Somewhere around 15, 16 seconds. Yeah, that's good. All right, so we're gonna go with a song here. We'll just go down to the start here. We're gonna pick one of these. I'm gonna go with this one. And then we're just gonna scroll it in a little bit. Try to get like a random spot here. Gonna lower the volume. And then we're gonna listen and see how it looks. I like it. Alright, so that's all it takes. Real quick. TikTok there. And you can pump these out like, you know what I mean? You can pop these out like crazy. You could flood the market. The more TikToks you make, the better, guys. So if you want to make one every 2 hours or something like that, absolutely fine. You'll grow your channel much faster. I'm just sticking to the little script here for right now. I might start doing that, to be honest. But it's so easy to make, so simple. Just switch stuff around a little bit. Boom. Got a new TikTok. Anyway, guys, our strategy here. We're gonna post at 11 a.m. Okay. So anyway, we come here. We get our this here, copy. All right, and then we go to upload. We posting at 11 a.m. correct? So we go here, get that in, boom, boom, 11 a.m. Like that. Post this. Stop making excuses on the other stop. I feel like I typed that before, but whatever. It don't really matter if you type similar stuff that much. You could just kind of reorganize how you say stuff if you really want to. I don't think you need to worry about it too much. I think it's pretty simple because you're posting a lot. Post a lot. 3 videos a day is a lot, to be honest. That's what I'm posting, but you could post a whole lot more and grow a whole lot faster. TikTok rewards activity. So the more you post, the more you'll grow, the more easy it is to blow up. So if I'm you and I really want to make my TikTok explode, I post and make these videos like 6, 7, even 8 of them a day and just pump them out. That's a good idea to do if you're interested in following along, guys. Also, make sure there's a link in the description, guys, for you to join the $25 online business, which I think is the most lucrative business to promote right now. I don't see nothing better. So we promote that, and 80% recurring commission is just unstoppable, guys. I never heard anything close to that. And you know, that link's in the description if you're interested in following along what I'm talking about here and trying this out and see if you can make some sales. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.